How to find friends on Facebook by phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch a Facebook application on your device and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection, or you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, tap on your profile or the hamburger icon at the top right corner and then tap on the gear icon. Here's a tap on the gear icon, tap on the search bar and search for upload contacts option over here. So you can just type in and search for it. So here you can see the upload contacts option. As you do that, tap on your profile over here and then here you'll be able to see the option of continuous contacts upload. So just toggle on this option, and as you toggle on this option, you'll give the access to contacts to find friends faster via the phone number. So you can just tap on continue and the contacts are syncing over here right now. So after it gets synced, you'll be able to find your friends on Facebook by your phone number as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.